If you're in the market for a new home, one thing you should definitely consider is looking at models from new builders such as Beazer. And today we're going to do just that. We're going to head back out to the northwest Las Vegas Valley, and it's all coming up. Hey everyone, how's it going today? My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas working under the Berkshire Hathaway brand. And here on this channel, we check out model homes from builders, we check out existing inventory, also you don't have to. If you're new here on this channel and this is the first time we've met, I really appreciate you stopping by to check out the video. I really hope you enjoy the content. If you enjoy this type of video, please consider subscribing to the channel as I'm constantly putting out more content. So in today's video, we're going to be headed back out to Ravenna up in Skye Canyon to check out the third of 3 model homes by Beazer. Today we're going to check out the Tiberon. Let's go get it. Welcome back to Skye Canyon, guys. Today we're taking a peek at the Tiberon built by Beazer Homes in the Ravenna neighborhood of the master plan community Skye Canyon. This is a 3-story home, 2,532 square feet, 4 to 5 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2-car garage, choice kitchen, choice primary bathroom. What that means is you get to choose which kitchen and which primary bathroom, aka the master bathroom. Additional options include optional deluxe primary bathroom, optional deck, optional bedroom in lieu of the loft, optional extended third floor deck, all for $369,990. Now this house does have pavers in the driveway and on the front walkway. That's included, as well as front landscaping and drip irrigation. When we come in, just like the previous model we viewed, you're going to walk straight into the great room. You're going to be looking into the living room from the front door, to the dining room, to the kitchen. Granite countertops with a polished edge are included, 36-inch uppers with a single pane front, and crown molding on top of the cabinetry. This kitchen will feature stainless steel Whirlpool appliances. You'll get the range, the microwave, and the dishwasher. And finally, you'll get a single bowl undermount sink with Moen faucets throughout the house. In this one, they do feature a double stack oven there, which is really nice, so that's an option to upgrade at the design studio. At the design studio, you'll be choosing many options that are shown in here, but aren't necessarily included as you're seeing. There's a peek at the pantry there. That actually goes pretty deep, so you can store quite a bit in there. There's a small coat closet right by the entrance there. One thing you'll notice is the tile on the floor is throughout on the bottom floor here. That is not included that way. The tile is included in the wet areas, which include the kitchen, the entry, the bathrooms, and the laundry room. Throughout the remainder of the house, you'll have Mohawk carpet, and the tile that you'll be selecting is Daltile. Coming over here, you're going to have a small storage area with the powder room with a pedestal sink, and behind me right now is the entrance to the garage, so that can hold your keys or your purse or whatever you may have in your hands right there. Another thing to keep in mind about this model is the driveway is on the rear of the house, so you don't have a backyard, you actually have a side yard. The side yard will not be landscaped, and that will be your responsibility. You can't have them do it for extra. Going upstairs, you're immediately greeted into the loft, or optional 5th bedroom. I really like that frog picture on the wall there. That's really cool. Headed back over this way, there's a linen closet to the left there. To the left here will be a full bathroom. There will be dual sinks in here. They're going to be standard height sinks, meaning it's a little bit shorter than the master bedroom. Those ones will be adult size. You got dual vanity in here and a shower tub combo. Then the laundry room here, you'll have gas hookup for your dryer. There's a nice little area over there to put some storage if you want like a folding area or even an additional linen spots. Back here to the bedrooms. These bedrooms weren't super big. They were about 10 by 10, maybe a touch bigger, but I'm pretty sure they were 10 by 10. While we're taking a peek at these bedrooms, let me talk about the HOAs real quick. Ravenna is located within the master plan community of Skye Canyon. The Skye Canyon community does have an amazing clubhouse that has a fitness center, beautiful playground, large grass area, pool, lots of amenities, including security and public events that they hold throughout the year. The master plan costs $250 a quarter. The sub-association is $140 a quarter. It is a gated community. You have a nice little grass area and a small playground there as well. And the common areas are going to be maintained for you. There is a SID lid in here for $244.92 per 6 months with a $6,900 payoff. All of that amounts to about $170 a month in addition to your mortgage. Alright, now to catch back up, we're back over in the master bedroom here. This bedroom is actually quite large, I would guess about 16 by 16 with a large walk-in closet. Has really nice light from the windows there. One thing I'd like to mention right now, if you do like this model but it's too big, there is a smaller model which I will link in the description, and I already have a video posted at the same time as this one. Walking into the master bathroom, you have a separate tub and shower there. That is included, as well as a dual vanity. There's a linen closet there, and then the water closet next to it. There is a door on there which gives nice privacy. Granite is included in all 3 bathrooms, which is a really nice feature to have. You're going to have a 6-inch backsplash on all the 3 bathroom countertops, as well as the kitchen. That's going to be included. You can definitely upgrade that at the design studio. If you guys are enjoying the video and getting some value out of it, I would really appreciate it if you like the video. It really helps out the channel a lot. Thank you so much. Now walking back out, we're going to head back out into the loft area and head up to the 3rd floor. Lots of options to do in this loft here. What would you do? Would you choose the bedroom option? Would you leave it as a loft? What would you do with the loft? Would you make it an office, a little game area for the kids? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, now we're headed up to the 3rd floor. This is a really nice area up here. It's a nice loft to have for entertaining. I've always wanted to have a pool table, and this would be the perfect spot for it, assuming I don't jump the ball off the table into the sliding glass door. That would be horrible. Soft looking blanket there. We'll take a look out in the patio in just a moment. There's another bathroom and another bedroom up here. This bathroom right here is going to be a full bathroom. It's a shower tub combo with a single vanity. Medicine cabinet will be in all the bathrooms, of course. After touring these 3 homes, one thing I was just thinking about and just noticed is how consistent and conservative Beazer is when they set up these models. I don't know if you noticed, but all 3 floors have the same cabinetry, and that was true with the other models as well. They tend to use a lot of neutral colors, such as the grays and browns, which is really, really interesting to me. They don't go too crazy with the paint and the decorations on the wall. Say like a KB home, they do a lot of wall decorations and use a lot of mirrors. All right, headed back out here, we are going to go take a look at the 3rd story deck. This is awesome. You have a nice strip view out here, which I'll show you in just a second. Overlook the entire Las Vegas Valley. Get a nice mountain view there as well. You're pretty much above everything. There's a charter school right there. It's just walking distance away. It's great for the kids. The neighborhood next door, that's actually going to be the master plan community of Providence. One thing you should note as well, the lot that you choose may vary in cost, but you do get to choose where you want to live within the neighborhood, which is really, really nice. You also get to choose how big of a lot you want. There's that wonderful view of the strip. That'd have been great on the 4th of July. Be really nice for New Year's as well. Alright everybody, that about wraps it up for this video. I definitely thank you for watching with me. If you enjoyed this tour, please consider giving the video a like. It really helps out the channel. Thank you. And if you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, as there is new content being published regularly. If you have any questions about this model or real estate in general, or perhaps you want to set up a private tour of these models, feel free to give me a call. My information is in the description below. If you're from out of town and considering moving to the Las Vegas Valley, give me a call. We have lots of tools available to select the right home for you and your family. But that about wraps it up for this video. I appreciate you guys watching with me, and we'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.